Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the fluent weight. So in the fluent weight, as I have already told you in the introduction of the weights video, that this weight means that we will be able to provide basically the polling time and the timeout. So this is nothing but a kind of explicit weight only. So it waits for a particular web element only. It is not implicit weight. Okay, it is a kind of explicit weight only. The only difference with the explicit weight is that here we can provide the timeout. For example, if you provide the script to wait for an element for 40 seconds and you provide the timeout polling time as 8 seconds, okay, and the timeout is of 40 seconds. So every within every eighth second, the script will be checking for that particular web element to be visible, okay, and in total it will check for 5 times. Okay, so 40 divided by 8 is 5, so it will check for 5 times, and the total seconds you have provided for that element to be visible is 40 seconds, and the polling time is 8 seconds. Okay, so this is what fluent wait is. Now let's move to our script and then make more clarity about fluent wait. So this was our previous script, and we waited explicitly for the camera drones option, right? I hope that you have seen the previous two videos, because directly you cannot understand the fluent wait. Okay, so it's very important for you to understand it, right? So this was our previous script. So here we waited explicitly for our camera drones option after hovering over to the electronics section, right? So let me now show you in the Java docs that what basically fluent wait is. So you just you type over your Google Selenium WebDriver Java doc, and then you can open the package org.openqa.selenium, right? And then you just press Control F, and then you can search here fluent. Okay, so search fluent, so you'll get fluent wait right over here. So click over here and you can see that an implementation of the wait interface that may have its timeout and polling interval configured on the fly, right? So while writing the script, you can provide the timeout. uh, Basically, timeout is the time for which we will be waiting for the element to be visible, and polling interval means that within every polling interval it will search for the element to be visible, right? So where is the script? This is the script for the fluent wait. I do not recommend it to remember, because I also do not remember it, and there are various other important things that you need to remember, right? So if you are able to remember, it's very good. If you aren't able to remember, just move to the Selenium Java docs and just simply copy it, Control C, and then you can basically move over here and then paste it, right? Control V. Okay, so let us comment out this previous you know explicit wait statement, so that we can use our fluent wait. So here you can see that we need to import some of the classes. So let me hover over my mouse. So import fluent wait. Okay, right? So first imported fluent wait, and then we need to import WebDriver class, and then we need to import the wait class from org.openqa.selenium.support.ui, right? So we have imported each and everything which we were required to import, and this is also left. So import no such element exception from java.util, right? So now error has gone, and now let us provide the timeout. For example, let me provide the timeout of 10 seconds, and polling time of 2 seconds. So now what basically will happen here is that our script will wait for total 10 seconds, and within every 2 seconds it will be checking for the visibility of the camera drones option and then clicking over it, right? So we have to provide the expected conditions in the fluent wait also, and this is the particular script we have copied from the Java docs, right? So saving this particular script, and hope so that we'll be able to hover over the electronics section and then clicking over the camera drones option, as we have made it possible via explicit wait. So let us run the script now. So the script is running. So the Chrome browser opened and it moved over electronics, and it clicked over camera drones. So you can see that the camera drones option opened, and here we are able to click successfully over the camera drones option. So our script found out the camera drones option because of the Fluent wait. Okay, so this is how we use the Fluent wait in Selenium WebDriver. I hope this video was clear to you, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep revising, keep learning.